Please come on in. We have some chicken tenders we're going to put in the fryer in a second. And we have some hot dogs we put up, onions and peppers. And we're getting ready to serve food. We have our coffee pots cooking away. It's still a little chilly, even in April. Tables are set up, and now we're waiting for people. We have our bread. Our salad table's all ready to go. And now we use canola oil. We use 100% canola oil. So in case anybody has allergies to peanuts, this way they're pretty safe here. If you have any allergies, you should always let your server know, so they can advise you on what's on the menu and what's in the ingredients in the menu. Bubbling away. And we have digital thermometers to check the temperature. This is our warming tower, and in here we can prep food and keep it warm till we serve it, and that works great for large crowds. And down here we have our serving tines and a spatula and our cooking oil and some seasoning. Time this year we have a karaoke machine. This is for the first time this year we have this. And we'll see how that works. And this is the disclaimer that the health department wants you to have. So you really should always let your food handler know if you have any allergies. We have Q in the truck with us today. We have Gigi on the truck. And we're making some delicious, juicy hamburgers.
Yep. That's right.
And fries. Putting some fries in our hot box. And then we're going to salt them up and get ready to put them out. Hello. How are you? It's chilly outside. Is it chilly outside? We're plating up the fries. We have our plates ready to go.
You are doing great.
Really?
We have our oil and sauces over there.
Maybe we need a little more. Right.
Yeah. I think tenders, we're good on tenders for now.
Tender more?
No, I think we have enough. Okay. For now.
And this is life working on a food truck. It's a close space. Everybody has to kind of know where they are, what their position is, so they don't get burned from the hot.
그래도 눈이 내 마음을 자라버렸네. 그대에게 할 말이 있는데 왜 왜 이리 용기가 없을까 말하고 싶지만 자신이 없어